welcome back. In this video I am going to go over my chemical peel results. This is the first chemical peel I've ever gotten in life, and I just wanted to get one because these dark spots were getting out of control. As you can see, the peel that I got was the PCA SKIN Sensipeel, and the esthetician that I went to told me that this would be the best one since I was first starting out, and she did a total of 4 layers. So after I received my chemical peel, I was provided with this post-procedure kit. And so you're going to see me going in with the facial wash. The facial wash was pretty regular, and I didn't see any difference really from my regular facial wash, but I wanted to use it just so that I didn't mess anything up. So the esthetician told me to go in circular motions when washing my face, so that's what I did here. I am not an esthetician, I'm not a skincare specialist or anything like that, so everything you see me doing is what I was told to do by the esthetician that I used in my area. Throughout this peel process, the only thing that really gave me any sort of relief from the itching has been the Clinicalm 1% that was also in the PCA Skin post-procedure kit, and just washing my face. Those are the only 2 things that really gave me relief from the itchiness that I experienced. So after, you're gonna see me rinsing the facial wash off, and after that I am going to go in with the Rebalance moisturizer that was also in the PCA Skin post-procedure kit. The Rebalance moisturizer was a pretty good moisturizer. I didn't really have any complaints there. The only product out of the PCA Skin post-procedure kit that I did not like was probably the sunscreen. The sunscreen left a white cast on my face, and I just didn't like it. It sat on my face. I just didn't like the way it made my skin feel or look. I didn't use any sunscreen in this video because this was my nighttime routine during this chemical peel. So the last product I'm going to go in with is the Silkcoat balm. This product was my favorite out of the entire kit. It's kind of like a more stronger moisturizer than the Rebalance. It says here that it is made to soothe, rejuvenate, and protect dry, mature skin or skin in harsh climates, which is perfect after a chemical peel. So the absolute last place for any type of peeling that I got was my forehead. I feel like the esthetician didn't go over my forehead very well, but that's just my opinion. I don't really know how a chemical peel is supposed to work, but I noticed when she was going over my forehead area, I didn't really notice anything. So these are my side-by-side results. Let me know in the comments below if you see any sort of difference. I did notice that some of my acne scarring went down and some of my acne went down as well. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts.